Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Zyro. Zyro is a fantastic website builder that makes it incredibly easy for anyone to create a professional looking website, whether you are a small business owner, a freelancer, or someone who just wants to showcase their work online. Zyro has got you covered. So one thing that sets Zyro apart is its intuitive drag and drop interface, and you don't need any coding skills or design skills to use it. You simply choose from a wide range of pre-designed templates, customize them to your liking, add your own content, and it's as simple as that. Let's start for free. You can join Zyro by creating an account by putting email and password, or you can use your Google account or Apple account or Facebook account. Let's use Google account. So the templates themselves are modern, sleek, and visual appealing. They cover various industries and styles. You can earn you can find the perfect fit for your website. Plus, Zyro regularly adds a new template to keep things fresh and up to date. So let's choose a template. So here choose the category: fashion, technology, e-commerce, blogs, home and decor. And there are 15 pages for those templates. So choose what suits you best. So let's choose this because I don't have all the day to choose the template. Another standout feature is that Zyro doesn't disappoint either. So it provides everything you need. You create fully functional website including drag and drop builder, variety of apps and integration, SEO tools, e-commerce functionality, and more. The platform is also optimized for speed and performance, ensuring that your website loads quickly and provides a seamless user experience. So welcome to the website. You can take a tour or you can watch a video on how to do that, but this is why you are here, right? So we need to zoom out because this website is moving right and left. Control and scroll down to see all the websites, or you can just put it right here to see category by category. So you will have 3 pages on the same home page. So this is good, not like other websites. You can add website builders. You can add elements, pages. You can design the style, the blog. You can add an online store, AI tools here to create a logo or to write, or I think this is for picture. And we have here analytics and statistics for how many people visited your website. So after you done edit it, you click on go live and your website will be ready. For the phone version, we have this. You can also edit the phone version by clicking on the phone logo here. Here we have your online store. You access to the e-commerce platform of Zyro, where it will help you to create your store. So customer support is another area where Zyro shines. They have a responsive customer support that's available to help you with any time, any questions, any issues you may encounter along the way. They also provide a knowledge base and tutorial to guide you through the process of building your website. Now let's go back to look at leave, don't save, to look for the plans. Here we have security billing, refer friend for $20. Let's go to balance. No, here, subscriptions. So another standout feature of Zyro is its affordability. Pricing plans are very reasonable, especially considering the level of quality and functionality you get. There are different plans available depending on your need, and even the most basic plan offers a lot available. So let's see the plans. We have the website and the business. Click here to see all the features and the differences between the website and the whole business. So those are a deal for new customers, $2.59 instead of $11.99, and $3.59 instead of $40.99. Those are the benefits. So the business contains an e-commerce and an online store included in it, with an increasement in number of products you can post and accepting online payments and more payment options, email notification and order management, inventory management, and some appointments settings. So payments method that the website accepts and you will accept too are MasterCard, Visa, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. So after you choose the plan, you choose the period, then you head up to payment, then you confirm. So it's not just come and get the plan, you just click on select and it's activated. But you can also continue with the free plan like I'm doing right now. And overall, Zyro is a user-friendly and affordable website builder that deliver impressive results. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, Zyro provides the tool and features you need to create a stunning website without any hassle. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hope you find this video helpful or you learned anything in this video. So thanks for watching and please like and subscribe. See you on another video on another website, another review.